Hey guys. My cat wants to be part of this, so we're just gonna let her. Come on, Chanel. Okay. Yeah, say hello to everybody. So today I have a Shop Miss A haul. If you don't know what Shop Miss A is, everything's $1 pretty much. Some stuff is like $1.88, $5, $10. But for the most part, everything's $1. So let's get on with it. Okay, first I got this necklace, and it is for a Cancer. I am a Cancer. I got two, but I have no clue where they're at. Chanel, are you really gonna stay here? Oh no, don't knock it over. Then I got these little hair clips. They were $1. They're supposed to be purple. They look very dark to be purple. Then I got a little star hair clip. Oof, I'm blinding you guys. Sorry. Bling bling. Next, I got some diamond gloss. I bought one and I was like, oh my God, this is so good. So I got 3 more. Chanel, please stop. Oh my gosh. Oh well. You know I ain't no professional. I don't plan on ever being. And I love cats. And I'm always wearing like cat ears. And they have a lot. It's gonna blind you. So these were $1. And these. Leopard print. My favorite. Then I got rainbow. I love anything that sparkles. If it sparkles, I have to have it. And then like a chevron pattern. Okay. Then I got, this is just a blank palette. If you want to put your single shadows in. Yeah, sealed. So, but this was like $6. That's what this is. So, but this one that they sent me was all messed up. Oof, it was like stained. Then I got this makeup brush for $1. Contour brush. And some new lip balm, watermelon, and strawberry. I don't like it, so I would say don't waste your money like I did. I did it for you guys, okay? I love cute little pins. They have these for $1. So I got 2. Probably gonna give one to my little sister. Yeah. And then I got a little lip balm. Where's the front? It's the Aloe Butter Lip Balm. And I got a shea butter. And I know I had a rose, but I don't know where it went. Anytime I put something on the table, this cat, she knocks it off or moves it. So then, I got me a few sheet masks. I love sheet masks, and they're $1. I got Aloe. And what's this? Aloe. Aloe. Aloe is good for your skin, honey. Green tea. Banana. What is this one? Oh, egg essence. And collagen, which is really a gimmick because Anything you put on the outside, that is whatever. I don't know. Look it up. It's a gimmick. But oh well. And strawberry. Those were $1 each. Then I got some of the 3D Faux Mink lashes. I think these are $1.55. Yeah, it says it right there. Because 55 cents goes to charity. So. And then I got this pair. This is the Melissa. What was the other pair? The Nora. Okay. Then I got a flexible head wrap to use when I like do my skincare, so I can tie my hair back. And I didn't order this. I ordered a different kind of mask, but they sent me this, so I'm stuck with it. I didn't want it, so whatever. These little beaded bracelets. You get 2 for $1. And then I got some butterfly earrings for $1. I got some more hair accessories. I wanted the red and silver. More butterfly earrings. Just $1, just $1, just $1. Then I got, this is just the, okay, that's the clear with silver barrettes for my hair. And the pink with silver barrettes. They don't look pink because the flash is on. And then the blue with silver barrettes. Some stars with pearls in the center. I told you, I love anything that sparkles. That's how you get me. I thought this was going to be bigger. It's supposed to be like you can use it as a highlighter or on your body. I like to mix like liquid highlighters with lotion and put on my body. And it was $1.55 for charity. And then I got me an anklet bracelet. It's got stars and little bling bling for $1. And oh, another brush. Let's see. I did not order this brush. I had ordered that one, and they sent this one, and I was like, I did not order that. So they gave me a credit so that I could order the correct stuff. And then I wanted some press-on nails. You didn't get to pick the color. They pick them, which these are okay looking though. It's like a pinkish blue, and they have a little shimmer to them. And then these are like a pink and gray ombre with a little shimmer. And then like a teal silver gray ombre on that. And that is it, honey. I'm looking around. Yeah, that's it. Chanel, are you gonna get on the camera and say goodbye? Here, let everybody see you since you're a diva. Look up. Okay, don't look up. Say bye, Chanel. You want a treat? Look, she'll look if you say treat. You want a treat? You want a treat, fat mama? Say bye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, everyone.